The border dispute between India and China, it's not something that is just happening over the past 4 to 5 years, but instead it's happening over the past 70 years. Hundreds of soldiers from both the sides have died due to this border dispute. So what's good people, welcome to Smart Side. In this video we'll be discussing about the history of India and China's border dispute. So let's get started. The most recent fight between India and China on 20th January 2020 left troops on both the sides injured. It took place along the border in India Sikkim, which is in between Bhutan and Nepal. The year 2020 especially was particularly violent. The June clash in Galwan Valley, fought with sticks, stones and clubs but not guns, was the first fatal confrontation between the two sides since 1975. And now the question arises, when did this dispute actually start? And why are these borders so important for both the countries? So answer to this question dates back to 1950s when People's Republic of China built a 1200 kilometer road connecting China and the Western Tibet, out of which 179 kilometers ran south of Johnson Lane to Aksai Chin region, which is claimed by India. And the Indians did not learn of the existence of the road until 1957, which was then confirmed when the road was shown in the Chinese maps published in 1958. So India's ex-Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru stated that Aksai Chin was part of Ladakh region of India over centuries. And on the other side, Chinese ministers Zhou Enlai argued that the western border had never been delimited. And in 1960, based on an agreement between Nehru and Zhou Enlai, officials from India and China held discussion in order to settle the border dispute. But the Chinese and the Indian government disagreed on the major watershed that defined the boundary in western sector. So the border dispute went on to continue. So in 1967, there were a series of military clashes between the two countries in the places Nathula and Chola, which is alongside the borders of Himalayan kingdom of Sikkim. So the Nathula clashes started on 11th September 1967 when the People Liberation Army launched an attack on Indian posts at Nathula, and this lasted till 15th September 1967. And in October 1967, another military duel took place on Chola, which ended on the same day. And according to independent sources, the Indian forces achieved a decisive tactical advantage and defeated the Chinese forces in these clashes. And the dispute didn't just end here. Then on October 20, 1975, 4 Indian soldiers were killed in Arunachal Pradesh by the Chinese troops, and their bodies were later returned. And seeing this, the Indian government registered a strong protest with the Chinese. And similarly, over the past 200 years, China's border have shifted a number of times because of war, politics and leadership changes. China also claims that Arunachal Pradesh is actually part of southern Tibet, while India say Aksai Chin is part of Ladakh region. In total, these areas add up to 1,20,000 square kilometers of land. And since both sides agreed in 1996 to ban firearms and explosives in the disputed region, the soldiers attacked each other with bare fists, stone and clubs spiked with nails. And the two nations are also competing to build an infrastructure along the border, which is called as line of actual control. So while Indian politicians drink coffee at their houses, soldiers' life is at stake fighting and protecting the border. So I just hope the dispute between the two countries ends soon and they negotiate on this problem. So that's all from my side for today guys. If you have learned something valuable, please do like the video, and if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe because it means a lot to us. So thank you and see you in the next video.